to earn money with TikTok. This social network is one of the most popular in 2021. TikTok attracts more and more new users every day, and for some it is even becoming a real source of income. I will explain to you how to take advantage of this platform to obtain money with or without showing your face, and what are the means available to make your account grow. These are concrete steps and methods to know if you want to get started. The social network claims more than 500 million monthly users, which is pushing more and more brands and influencers to seek to position themselves on the platform. In order to earn a lot of money, you have to be famous and have as many viewers as possible on each video. To achieve this, there are particularly effective monetization solutions, which must be coupled with a content strategy cleverly studied for more performance. If you already have the possibility to always get more followers on TikTok, you must mobilize the other networks on which you can have a community, namely Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and why not Twitter. Take the time to understand how each platform works to adapt your tone and give yourself maximum visibility. Whenever you post new content on TikTok, promote it on your other networks. Post a story allowing you to arrive directly on the video with a swipe-up link, which can be clicked via a story, or include an excerpt from the video on a Facebook or Instagram post. It makes you want to go see the rest. First step to do is encourage fans to donate. TikTok members can purchase coins, which they then freely redistribute to the content creators they prefer. The price of parts varies from country to country and may also vary over time, as the platform does not communicate clearly about this. Still, you can use this method in order to increase your income. The social network has set up this system in order to touch additional margins and earn money other than through advertising. This is not a practice that will necessarily get you rich, but it can help you earn a few tens or hundreds of dollars per month, depending on your level of notoriety. 2. Earn money by partnering with brands. If you want to transform your activity on social networks into a real business, you have every interest in getting closer to brands. They are sometimes ready to pay a very high price to see their products in the hands of influencers, followed by the greatest number. Once you have reached a certain number of followers, you can start looking for paid partnerships. Naturally, the larger your community, the more weight you will have with companies, and the more you will be able to receive significant compensation for each partnership signed. Be careful to choose your partnerships, especially for ethical reasons. Indeed, if you support too many brands that do not directly relate to the interests of your community, you clearly risk losing credibility. It is essential to find the right balance between a sufficient number of partnerships and unsponsored posts that help maintain your authenticity as well as your special relationship with your community. 3. Sell your own products through TikTok. TikTok can make you money indirectly, helping to grow your business and grow your business bottom line. So you can use this social network to give yourself more chances to sell your products and your services. For example, some sell all kinds of products that they import from China through dropshipping. They use TikTok to show the items and create the urge to order them, while taking care to give users all the information to buy the products and generate interest. You can also use your TikTok profile to promote digital products, ebooks that you have written yourself, consulting services that you offer to your customers, training courses, etc. To make money with TikTok, you need to create an account, place videos that are getting popular, get lots of followers, and get them to give you gifts using virtual currency so that you can exchange them for diamonds and ultimately money. On the app, users can purchase coins with real money using payment methods authorized by Google and Apple. These coins are redeemable for different virtual gifts with varying prices. These virtual gifts can be given to other users as a reward if you liked a video or content. To do this, you must touch the Make a Gift button. If you do, this gift will disappear from your account and it will turn into a diamond on the account of the user who receives it. Be careful, if you give a gift, all users will be able to find out. The value of diamonds can vary according to the criteria of ByteDance, the company responsible for TikTok, which uses several parameters for its calculation. The quantity of diamonds a user has is visible on his profile, and he can convert them directly from this page into US dollars, which he will receive through PayPal or other similar services. The minimum amount to trade is $100 and the maximum is $1,000 per week. It is also very important to know that coins, gifts, and diamonds cannot be transferred from one user to another, and that the company has every right to do with them what they want. But how to earn TikTok followers? You have already posted a lot of videos to your TikTok account, hoping to gain subscribers. But the results are not there. What's stuck and what could you improve in your communication to take it to the next level and capture the attention of new users? I will share with you throughout this video concrete advice to gain new subscribers on your account without spending a single penny, but requiring a little work on your part. 1. Take part in challenges. Keeping up with the latest social media trends is important because it allows you to see what types of hot content are at a specific time. The challenges often involve singing and dancing to popular music, which is perfectly linked to the uses for which the platform has become known, namely lip syncing. A simple way to identify current challenges is to watch the different videos in the For You section and analyze the captions for them. 2. The potential of hashtags. Similar to Twitter and Instagram, TikTok allows users to add hashtags to reference their videos in themed post feeds. However, unlike Instagram, the number of hashtags you can add is extremely limited because your caption along with the hashtags must be a maximum of 140 characters. It is therefore essential to choose them well. 3. Make collaborations with other TikTokers. In the same way as on YouTube, where content producers will help each other to make videos broadcast on their respective channels, it is perfectly possible to ask users with more or less the same size of community as you to practice the visibility exchange. In 2021, TikTok can allow you to become rich thanks to the internet, just like other social networks. However, do not forget that this platform has its own specificity.